Hi friends, welcome back to Soma's Makeup Diary. This is my makeup world and I'm happy to be here with all of you. Today I'm going to create an eye look and this look is dedicated to one of my channel's viewers. I wore this look on January 1st. Yes, if you remember, I posted a video on January 1st and I actually created that video about long-lasting lipsticks. I asked all of you if you were interested in the eye look tutorial, dawn kind of look. I'm so glad that one of you asked for the video, and today I'm going to create that look with these gorgeous shades from Covergirl. Let me show you the swatches and then let's jump into the colors to play with those colors and create something beautiful. Look at the colors again. These colors are very gorgeous and the shades are very buttery, so I am very thrilled and excited to work with these shadows one more time. And actually I am using this palette on an everyday basis. Yeah, nowadays this is my favorite. All right, let me show you the shades. I am going to play with this yellow, orange, cranberry, purple, and this beautiful blue. Look at the shades. Gorgeous, isn't it? I'm just so happy with my lip colors today. Yeah, actually it's a mix and match, but I'm not going to mention the shade names in today's description box because the tutorial is coming up tomorrow. I am done with my winter colors. Now I want to play with spring colors and I'm getting started with my lip colors. Yeah, and I used 3 shades today. Yeah, shall we start? Getting started with this gorgeous orange. This is my channel's viewer's choice look and viewer's choice matters a lot to me. So I'm very thrilled and very excited to create this look. And I hope you like it and I hope you try this look with the colors. Maybe you have some similar shades in your makeup collection, you can use that. Or if you already have this palette, go for it and create this look. The other day when I got up early, actually I'm a morning person and I get up early. That day it was very beautiful because the sun was rising. The colors, it was just gorgeous. These are my dawn shades. Adding more orange on my transition, also on my crease. I want to create couple of more eye looks with my Viseart palettes, and I really want to get started with my series again. Actually it is like a series to me, Covergirl series, because I've created couple of looks with this palette and I am very happy whenever I use this palette. It makes me happy because the colors are so gorgeous, easy to work with, and I can create one shade look. I can go for the whole palette and create a beautiful look. It's a very useful and workable palette. If you're a color lover and if you're a shimmer lover, I think you will like working with this palette. Orange, I love to work with orangey shades, and especially on my transition because it gives such a nice, that the eye opening kind of look. I really like oranges on my transition. Love the shade. I really want to come up with some spring looks, This is my Real Techniques base shadow brush. Love this brush. I love to work with this brush because it is very fluffy. At the same time, it is very nice size brush. Circular motion, blend it a little, just give your transition area a nice orangey touch. And now I'm going to go for my cranberry shade. This is the shade that created the first look on my eyes, and I love the shade. This is very, very buttery and very nice. You know, it is I think it is a satin kind of shade. Just smooth, silky smooth. Love to work with this shade. I'm going for my E.L.F contour brush. This is, yeah, eye contouring brush. I'm going to take my time with this cranberry shade. I want this shade to be on my crease. A beautiful dawn look. I still want to go for some winter eye looks, but what do you say? Shall we get started with our spring lips? All the brushes that I use, you know, they have a very, very specific and special role. This is perfect for my crease. You know, it is just a perfect size brush when it comes to this area. This transition crease borderline. Yeah. And there you go. Sun is rising on my eyelids. Those beautiful hues of dawn. Doesn't have to be this dramatic, but sunrises make me happy. Do you take your time watching sunrises? Whenever I get time, I actually sit and watch it for 5 minutes, and it satisfies me. I wish I could do that every day, but winter time, my friends, sun is also busy. Okay, so the cranberry shade is all over my crease and a little bit on my transition, and now I'm going to start working with my yellow. Now this is my flat shadow brush and one of my favorites. Any flat shadow brush that is your favorite can be used here to create a beautiful half circle all over the lid. I'm actually thinking of reaching out to that inner corner area, pat it, dab it, build it, and then blend it a little bit of overlap. I like it, the diffused kind of overlap. Yeah, brightening. How beautiful to play with these colors. They are really gorgeous shades. When I bought this palette, I knew I would love these shades, but the texture, now I'm in love with it. Are you really intrigued? What am I wearing on my lips? If you are, let me know on the comment section and we can start an interesting conversation. Yeah? So the yellow is on, and now my friends, I'm going to work with my blue. Taking the small, actually it is my smudge brush, and I am going on my lower lash line. As you can see, yes, there you go, and keeping it thick towards the outer corners. Okay, this blue is very gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. Now I'm going to work with my purple, and yeah, the same patting brush, the other side, concentrating on the outer corners. And as I said, a little bit of overlap makes me happy. Right there. It's a pretty eye look. Yeah, it is pretty. I think today I'm going to use all the brushes that I have in my makeup collection. Going to my blending brush, another blending brush from E.L.F, and taking that purple, tapping off the excess, and now actually I'm going all over that blue, the lower lash line blue, so that I can get a little bit of purple and a little bit of blue, mostly blue, just a hint of purple, because I felt like doing it. Adding that purple On my lower lash line, my friends. Love to play with the colors, you all know. I think, yeah, I can be sure of that my viewers know that I love colors. And it is a color lover's spot. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my orange one more time. Just stay with me. Let's make it a little bit more colorful. Tap off the excess and just on top of that, created that beautiful orangey kind of touch there. And now I'm just going over that cranberry orange. Yeah, you know what I mean. And that's it, my friends. We are coming to an end. The gorgeous yellow, how can I leave it? I've already used that, but now I'm going to use it in a pinpointed way just near my inner corners, and also bringing it a little bit on my lower lash line, this starting point. I kind of like something, golden, yellowy, shimmery right there. This area. It just adds a little something extra, all the attention, and I just love it. Alright, I'm loving this E.L.F contour set, yes, and today I used it again along with my Hard Candy Baked Blush. I am really excited. It makes me super happy, and ever since I bought it, I am constantly reaching out for this. A little bit of that E.L.F powder. Such a beautiful set. And now I need to get some more E.L.F palettes, and I will let you know. Okay, now I'm going to go for my liners and mascara, and then I'll join you with the finished look. Stay tuned. Done with my liners and my mascara, and now a little something extra. Yes, do you see this beautiful blue shade which I used on my lower lash line? Going to go with this shade again on my black liner. This is going to give some company to my beautiful liquid black liner. A midnight blue effect. This is my trick when I want to intensify my liner effect. I usually go for my Viseart Golden Hour palette for this step, the black one, but then I got the Libertine palette from Viseart, and I got a very gorgeous navy blue in that palette, so I tried that also for this trick, and now I got another blue from my Covergirl palette. How cool is that? This is a very nice trick, whenever I want to lock in the color on my upper lash line and on my lower lash line, I go for this trick. So that's it, my friends. Super happy and excited to rock this look today. Thank you for letting me recreate this look. Yeah, I'm very pleased. Yeah, and had so much fun creating this look for all of you, and I hope you will take a look at this and you will sure try this look. Yeah, isn't it colorful, gorgeous? Love it. So many more videos are coming up, you know that. Viseart series is coming up, maybe with the Libertine palette and also with my Petit Pro 3. Yeah, I want to create couple of different looks with those palettes too. Tomorrow's video about my lip color, spring lip colors. Okay, bye for now. Have fun. See you soon. Stay tuned to Soma's Makeup Diary.